Yeah, hi again. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching me. And I still have a video about what people undergo in life concerning what you give, what you take, and what really is love. So let's go ahead. Yeah, I talked in the previous video about how people change towards you, or how things change the moment you stop giving something. The moment you stop laying something on the table, the moment you stop giving, the moment you are not beneficial to anyone. Remember, this is how cruel the world is. This is the reality of the matter. You will await for something different, but my friend, you will only get disappointed. You will only get disappointed. If you're doing something, just do that and go. Just do that and disappear. Because you will do something good, you will offer something good. But the moment you stop that because you can't do it anymore, or because something has changed in your life that you cannot give something in the table, my friend, people will disappear from you. Everyone will disown you. Like, really, you'll be standing all alone there waiting for the same people who ate with you in the same table. But these people will no longer be seen, will be nowhere to be seen. You will sit down there like this. You will watch. You're going to wait and wait. My friends, only tears are going to help you down, because we are living in a cruel world, a world that does not care. Be it your friend, be it your relative, be it your family, be it your closest spouse, or whoever. That moment, that second, you stop giving benefits in their lives, you stop giving something, feeding them, you are nothing. You are completely nothing to them. That's the time you are zero, like zero. You are no longer of any meaning to them, to the society, and to everyone at large. That's the bitter truth of the matter. I know many people are undergoing through this, but they haven't had the courage to speak about it. But this is what's going on. This is the reality. This is how the world has changed to. Like, really, the world has just changed to that system. I don't know why. Even your employer, be it your employer, be it whoever, that moment you cannot go to work, that moment you can't avail your 8 hours to go work, you won't know how fast you'll be replaced in that position. In seconds, you'll be of no meaning to that employer, to that boss. They will replace you like so quickly. And do you think they will ask you why you're not coming? Why can't you offer more services? Or why are you not there to put something on the table? No, they will not. This is nobody's business in this world. That's the bitter truth. What I want to give. That is the message I want to deliver to everyone. Thanks for watching me. I wish you all the best. I